What's up, guys? Lima's Moto Videos here, and I'm finally out in Round Lake. It's been over a month, or like 3 weeks or something like that, since we've been out. Never rode the bike, because busy with family stuff, like Christmas parties, and a lot of shit. So, we're finally back out. It's been a very long time. Well, it felt like it. It's only been like 3 weeks, 4 weeks. So yeah. But to me, seems like a long time. Because, you know, we try to go out every weekend. Try to. A lot of times it works. But just once in a while, can't go out for a little while. So I'm just going to put this... I'm actually gonna put these logs on the tarp. Hey guys, you guys probably don't even know that my uncle bought a new sled. Well, not like a new one, but like another sled. I think it's a 99 SRX 700, and he put it on its side last night because he was drinking, kind of being a bit stupid, you know, and put it on its side. Oh yeah, freaking that one weekend when we were out here, this was covered in snow, but it's been mild a couple times, so I guess it melted. I'll put this one over there. So this is a cold start on a 2004 Yamaha Kodiak 450 in about a month. Let's put the key in there. Turn the gas on. Where is it there? There we go. Okay, battery's not dead. Boom, starts up right away. 3 weeks of sitting. Oh yeah, here comes the smoke. Oh yeah. Oh, this is fucking cape back there behind the disc brake. I don't have my GoPro in its case because maybe it's better like audio, so you can probably hear me a bit better. I guess keep the choke on a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna try to do lots of videos for you guys today. And I found an editing program on my Chromebook, so maybe hopefully it works. Then maybe I can do some edits in my videos instead of just uploading them, because I couldn't really find any editing programs for my Chromebook because it's only really meant to do work on it. So hopefully this one actually works. So we'll see what I can do. If not, then I'm just gonna have to wait till I get a job in January, so in a month, and just buy a better computer and then buy an editing program, you know, or just use a free one off of the GoPro website, because they actually have a free one. Yeah, there you go. Should choke off? Yeah, it's a bit dirty. Oh well. Over this side. Might need choke for a little bit longer. And the snow is pretty wet, so I don't know how far I can go with these bald ass tires. Look how bald they are. Super bald. Gonna get new ones in the springtime, or like maybe during winter, whatever, like late winter. Yeah. If you're wondering why it's flashing red on the reverse single, because my dad said he did some research on it. whenever it's cold and you do have it on choke lots, you have it on like too much choke, or it like doesn't need choke anymore. Whenever it's cold, it like flashes red to tell you. So it's just doing that now. Should have been more paying attention to it, but it doesn't hurt anything. Should be stopped there pretty soon. So I'm gonna try to take out some ice here and snow. God, it's freaking stuck in there good. I'll clean it out later, off video. But yeah, guys, that's the cold start on the 2004 Yamaha Kodiak. See you guys in some riding footage.